Some people hear the terms Power Query and pivot tables and right away think that's too complicated for me. But check it out. You can connect and analyze multiple related data sets like payroll and HR information in just a few clicks. First, ensure there's something to relate your data by. Something's got to match up. In our case, we have employee ID. It doesn't even have to be called the same thing in the column title. For example, this one could be called EID, as long as the columns contain the same type of information. Also, very important, start with good data. Clean columns and rows, labeled at the top, no merged cells, no completely blank columns or rows. Need some help in that department? Check out my book, Dirty Data. Now, it's a good idea to use table-style formatting to make your data easy to work with in Excel's data tools. You can use Control-T or the Format as a Table button here on the Home tab. Be sure to name your tables here something that will remind you of what the table contains. Now it's time to tell Excel how these data sets are related. On the Data tab in the Data Tools group, look for this button called Relationships. Identify one table and choose the column that we decided earlier matches up. Then the second one. Sometimes Excel can figure this out for you automatically, but if not, just tell it. Though it's kind of invisible, behind the scenes, Excel has created something called the data model, which is the two data sets connected up as one. Now we can create a pivot table. Let's go to the Insert tab, Pivot Table button, and here on the dialog box, choose Use this workbook's data model. Notice how I have both sets of fields from which to choose? Now I can analyze the dollars by office or payroll by exempt and non-exempt. Love learning how to make your life easier in technology? You'll love my new Watch and Learn subscription. With an annual subscription, you get a full year of automatic registrations to every Sawbuck seminar we do, and a full year's access to the recordings, plus bonus sessions, for the price of 10 webinars. All you have to do is subscribe at melissaescobel.com/watch-learn. And check this out. Now through June 30th, if you've purchased any webinar from January through June of this year, including the one coming up this week, you'll automatically get a second year of Watch and Learn absolutely free when you subscribe. That's about 60 webinars plus access to the recordings for a year, all for the price of 10 webinars. Take care, everybody.